sisters. Okay, that was so ugly. But hello everybody. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do this like kind of dusky, deserty sand kind of look. I'm actually kind of obsessed with it. It totally was an accident the way I came about making it up. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please make sure you give it a, that was so like intense, give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below something interesting about yourself, how you're doing. I want to talk to you guys more and interact, because I feel like, I don't know, I just comment something down. It's not anything really weird. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for clicking this video, for watching it. If you stay until the end, you're a real one. Like, that's all I'm gonna say. You probably won't stay to the end, but if you do, I appreciate you. I love you. You are loved. Alright, so this eye is already primed and everything. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with this tutorial. So the main palette I'm using in this tutorial, hold up, can you even like see me? Why are you so difficult? Just shut up and get the tutorial going. I'm going to be using the Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to take this fluffy brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to go into this, can't see, this yellow color, and just put that all up in my crease. So I haven't talked to you guys in a while, so this is going to be a little bit kind of like a chit-chatty like thing, and if you hate me or if you don't know who I am, hi, I'm Savannah. I'm a junior, well, I'm a senior now. I'm a senior in high school, and you know, well actually it's summer before senior year, it's August right now, so I still have time to decide what I want to do with my life, which, no clue. I kind of have a clue. I have always loved like animals and like the environment and stuff like that, and like I always had like recycle and, you know, be good to the earth, okay, because we only got one of them, and well, as we know of, I don't know, but we only have one earth, so we got to make sure we respect her, you know, treat her right or whatever. But the kind of top two things that I'm like leaning towards are like veterinarian, like being a vet, preferably like a wildlife vet, because I really want to go to like Africa and the savannas and like go see the animals there before they all are extinct, because they're all like, their lives are just running. It's honestly so sad. Every time I go on Twitter, they're always like, okay, today the giraffes are extinct, and I'm like, y'all, like, can we just have them keep these animals? Like, please keep them safe, because this is all we have. Like, I'm very passionate about protecting animals and stuff like that, and like I just, ever since I was little, I used to watch Animal Planet. Like, I used to take the controller and turn it to Animal Planet whenever I had the chance to. Like, I'm just very into like animals, but also I'm kind of squeamish, so I'm like, should I be a vet if I can't, like, so the other kind of career path I'm looking towards is like environmental public health. It's just like basically seeing how like pollution and the stuff that we do to the environment affects our health, which I think is something that I'm also very passionate about. So next I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush. This is a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just going to go into these two orange shades. I find that like using one of the orange shades isn't enough, so I always mix the two together. But you really want to make sure you spend time and really work in that yellow, make it as pigmented as possible, because that way you won't have to go back in and blend it later. Funny story with this eye, if you follow my Instagram and you watch my story, you would have seen that this was supposed to be a totally different kind of look, but I kind of like last minute changed it to something else, because I tried to basically do liner that a reverse ombre of what the background colors are in the crease, and I was like done with the look, and I was like, you know what, this needs a little something. So I tried to outline the wing in black liner, and that pretty much ruined it. So yeah, if you watch my Instagram story, which if you don't follow my Instagram, it's at makeup_by_savxo, you're probably like, Samantha, you say this in every single video and I don't care about your account. Well, you should, because I post on there a lot, and it's actually like, people are actually following me now, and I'm actually posting like little mini videos, because it's easier to make one of those videos than just make a whole entire YouTube video. I haven't been active on here as much. I've actually been really active on my Instagram, so you should make sure you go follow that. And yeah, you know, it's just a good time over there or whatever, you know, like we just have a great time. I'm gonna go ahead and take the red shade in this palette, which, where is she? She's right here. Just this color right here. Lid, pretty much, just to give it a little more definition. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my crease, and I'm gonna use the lightest concealer that I have, which in this case is my Hard Candy Glamouflage concealer. But I find cutting my crease kind of therapeutic, honestly. A lot of people ask me, well, not really a lot of people, but like, okay, this looks so messy. I'm so sorry. Like, all right, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Wet n Wild, the Creme Brulee eyeshadow that everybody like freaked out about, and I literally forgot that I had. It's just this little mini single eyeshadow from Wet n Wild, you know. If you know, you know. Also, this is like the lightest eyeshadow that I have, just so that when we put the glitter on top, it's really gonna like pop, you know? I like to go in with like a really thin, like precise brush, and I like to go into that red, and I like to kind of like sharpen it up. So like you see how some spots where I kind of like messed up a little bit, you're gonna go in and kind of just like reline them and make it just really smooth. The next part, I'm just gonna go in with my Urban Decay Born to Run palette, which if you haven't seen that video of me reviewing, you should totally go watch it. Previously, this is the orangey kind of shade. It looks really stunning. I'm gonna use that and kind of just put that over where we cut the crease, just because it pops way more when you have a base like this and not a colorful one. That did not make sense. For eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Vivid Brights. Can you see it? And this is just the purple one. So let's pray that I can do this, because eyeliner always never really works out on the side for me, so. My brother's playing Fortnite and he literally screams into the microphone for literally no reason. I don't understand. Alright, so this one's definitely a little bit thicker, but you know, when we put lashes on, you're not even gonna be able to tell, so it's really okay, it's really fine. I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom color. So this actually comes from the Profusion Shimmer palette, and I got this from Target for literally $5 last night. And these colors are actually stunning. This blue really speaks to me, and she is very pigmented, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my lower lash line as we wait for my brows to dry, of course. Eyeliner to dry and my lash glue to dry. I wish I knew how to talk, honestly. Wow, the dark circles are really out. Yeah, these definitely aren't even, but it's really okay. It's really fun. And these are the Kiss lashes. These are the ones in corset. And they're literally $3, and I actually love them more than life. Like, they're so good. Probably should let the glue dry a little longer, but it's fine. I put on the lashes, and for the bottom lashes, I'm just gonna be taking some of the CoverGirl Clump Crusher and putting that on the bottom. Since that didn't do anything. Better Than Sex, I have the little mini sample because I didn't know if I'd like it or not, and I actually do really like it, so. And the last thing for the eyes is just going to be to highlight them. So I actually take the yellow sparkle in here, and it's actually one of my favorite like brow bone highlights ever. It's this little sparkly yellow right here, and I take it, what brush do I use for that? On this little brush from Sonia Kashuk, and I just kind of use it to highlight my brow bone and then my inner corners. And I think the yellow really complements this look because like the other kind of blends up here, so it like kind of looks good to me at least. We applied the yellow with first. Just gonna blend that so it's not like crazy, just a giant streak of yellow. Hey guys, it's me from the future, and if you want to see me do my face makeup, then go ahead and go to my Instagram and go watch the little video that I posted. I didn't want to add my face makeup to this video because then it would have been too long, and I'm trying to make my videos shorter because nobody actually likes me enough to watch me for 20 minutes. So yeah, go watch my makeup, the video of my face makeup for this look on my Instagram at makeupbysabxo, you know. Go like it, go look at it, you know, have a good time. All right, y'all, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I hope I didn't ramble on too much and talk too much. But yeah, if you guys want to see more videos from me, make sure that you subscribe and join, you know, this little party, little gang we got going on here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.